How are you feeling today?
Hello. Much better than yesterday.
Are you ready to practice English?
Yes, I am. Let's start.
How did you get here?
I took the bus.
Do you always take the bus?
No, sometimes I come walking.
How far do you live from here?
Not very far, just a 10-minute walk.
Are you British?
No, I'm not. I'm American.
Do you speak English?
Yes. It's my native language.
What's your name?
My name is Sarah John.
What's your last name again?
It's John.
Could you please repeat that?
Yes, of course, John.
Good to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
How was your day?
Really good.
Are you happy today?
Yes, I am.
Where in America are you from?
I'm from San Diego, California.
Is it a big city?
Yes, it's fairly big.
Were you born there?
Yes, I was.
Do you live there?
Yes, I do.
How old are you?
I'm 25.
What do you do?
I'm an engineer.
Do you work from home?
No, I work in an office as well as outdoors.
Where do you live now?
I live in Mumbai, India.
How long have you been living there?
I've been living here for 5 years.
Do you like it there?
Yes, it's a great city with fantastic people.
What's your address?
13, at Erie East.
What's your email address?
You can email me at sarahjohngmail.com.
What's your telephone number?
My number is 01756849854.
Can I ask you a few personal questions?
Certainly.
Do you have a boyfriend?
No, I don't.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
Again, are you married?
No, I am not married.
Will you be my girlfriend?
Why not?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother.
Do you have a hobby?
I like playing sports, especially swimming.
Have you ever been to the beach?
I've been to the beach a few times.
What sports do you play apart from swimming?
I enjoy basketball.
Have you gone hiking?
Yes, a couple of times.
What do you like about hiking?
I love the fresh air and the beautiful scenery during hikes.
By the way, do you enjoy reading?
Yes, I love reading.
What do you read mostly?
Fictional stories are my favorite. How about you?
I enjoy nonfiction. What's the last book you read?
I recently finished a mystery novel.
How many languages can you speak?
I only speak English.
Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Do you feel sick?
No, I feel just fine.
How long will you be staying here?
A couple of days more.
When are you leaving?
I'm leaving on Monday.
What time are you leaving?
I'm leaving at 10 o'clock a.m.
Are you going by flight?
No, I'm taking a ride.
Where are your parents?
They're back home in California.
Do you miss them?
Yes, a lot, in fact.
What do you miss most about them?
Mom's cooking and dad's jokes.
Are you allergic to anything?
Yes, I'm allergic to cats.
How was your trip?
It was so fun.
When is your birthday?
January 1st.
Where is the closest bus stop?
It's about 200 meters down the street.
Where is the closest bank?
It's just across the street.
Is there a barber shop near here?
There is one over there.
Do you like Indian food?
I love Indian food.
Do you like Chinese food?
Not so much.
Do you like Mexican food?
Yes, a little bit.
Do you drive a car?
No, I don't have a car. Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive very well. Are you afraid?
No, I'm not afraid of anything.
But you look scared.
Yes, to tell the truth, I'm a bit scared.
Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Are you busy at the moment?
I am not.
Have you ever written a poem?
Yes, in high school.
Did you publish it?
Yes, in the annual school magazine.
Do you have a blog or a vlog?
No, I don't.
Is it cold today?
No, it isn't.
What's the weather like today?
It's quite hot.
These flowers are nice, aren't they?
Yes, they look fresh.
They are for you.
Wow, thank you.
Do you like them?
Yes, they're beautiful.
Do you like receiving gifts?
I do, in fact. Who doesn't?
What time does the show start?
It starts at 10.
What time does the flight leave?
It leaves at 5.
What time do you go to bed?
Around midnight.
So do you sleep until late in the morning?
I get up at 6 o'clock a.m.
Do you get enough sleep?
I just need 6 hours of sleep.
How are you today?
I'm doing well, thank you.
What do you do for a living?
I work as a software engineer.
Do you enjoy your job?
Yes, I find it quite fulfilling.
Have you traveled recently?
No, I haven't traveled in the past few months.
What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I love Italian food.
Are you close to your family?
Very much, so we have a strong bond.
Do you prefer coffee or tea?
I'm more of a tea person.
How do you spend your weekends?
I usually relax and catch up on reading.
Are you a morning person?
Not really, I'm more of a night owl.
What's your dream vacation destination?
I've always wanted to visit Japan.
Do you speak any other languages?
I speak a bit of Spanish.
What's your favorite movie?
The Shawshank Redemption is a classic.
Do you have any pets?
No, I don't have any pets at the moment.
What's your favorite season?
I love the fall, especially the cool weather.
Do you play any musical instruments?
I play the guitar.
Are you a sports fan?
Not really, but I enjoy watching soccer occasionally.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I find it therapeutic.
What's your favorite childhood memory?
Family trips to the beach are my fondest memories.
Are you into technology?
Yes, I'm fascinated by the latest gadgets.
Do you believe in ghosts?
No, I don't believe in supernatural entities.
What's your favorite color?
I love the color blue.
Do you prefer the city or the countryside?
I enjoy the tranquility of the countryside.
Are you a planner or more spontaneous?
I tend to be a planner.
Do you have a favorite holiday?
Christmas is my favorite holiday.
Thanks for watching. I hope you really liked this video. If you could improve your English a little more with this video, please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Encourage us to continue. See you soon. We will meet you again. Love you. Love you. Love you. Take care.